I'm with you. How far are we hiking today? How far are we going to go for a hike in the woods? What are we going to find? Maybe some bear? Is that pickies? Back up. Back up. This is blocked. You gotta go a different way.
This way.
Yep. Always keep an eye out for pickies. Nope, that's so safe.
Spiky.
Spiky? Is that a spiky plant? We are in Hopkinton, Nathan's woods beside his house, and we're going for an adventure. Maybe we'll see an owl, or if we're lucky, we'll see a night fury, but it's daytime, so that's probably not likely. So do you think we're going to see a dragon today?
What?
Do you think we're going to see a dragon today? Is that a dragon's egg?
No, it's not.
Where was it?
It was a rock.
Pardon me.